How to say congratulations in Greek. Congratulations. See-xa-ree-tee-re-a. Congratulations. See-xa-ree-tee-re-a. Now you try. You can also say, congratulations on your engagement. Na zite. Congratulations on your engagement. Na zite. Now you try. Na zite actually means to live. If you wanted to say congratulations for someone's wedding, you would say to the bride and the groom, Na zite. Congratulations. Na zite. Now you try. If you were speaking to the parents or the family of the bride and the groom, you would say to them, Na zee-sou-ne. Na zee-sou-ne. Congratulations. Na zee-sou-ne. Now you try. And don't be surprised if they respond to you, que στα δικά σου. And at your wedding, que στα δικά σου. Now you try. You can also say, congratulations on your baby. Να σου ζήσει. Congratulations on your baby. Να σου ζήσει. Now you try. Να σου ζήσει actually means may he or she live for you. You can also say, congratulations on your new job. Συγχαρητήρια για την καινούρια σου δουλειά. Congratulations on your new job. Συγχαρητήρια για την καινούρια σου δουλειά. Now you try. And that's how to say congratulations in Greek.